Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is gonna be our weekend vlog. We have some things planned to do around the house this Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna go to some stores and it should be fun. So I wanted to bring you along and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on notification bell on. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. We got these beautiful flowers and I am definitely not a good gardener, but I decided to try and we'll see how it goes because I really like to see beautiful flowers on my front porch, on the back patio, or just in my garden. We found this brick on a yard sale. We needed to buy a brick anyway, but we were so happy to found them on a yard sale for a fraction of price. And you see kids over here helping my husband putting them around the tree. This dust over here that you see is the weirdest thing ever. I've never seen anything like that, but they say it's totally normal in Alabama. It's actually pollen and it is so thick and it falls down every single day this spring. I clean our patio furniture, our front door and everything outside every day, and this is how it looks every day. It's disgusting. I cannot wait for this to go away. For dinner Saturday, I made some stir fry with veggies that I had in the refrigerator and needed to be used. You see some carrots, peppers, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, parsley, and then I added some garlic, and all that was on coconut oil, and then at the end I added a little bit of soy sauce. So this is how our dinner looked like. I made quinoa, then cooked chicken breast, and then this is the stir fry, and I sprinkled on top some feta cheese and a dollop of sour cream. Sunday we were on our way to have lunch, and since we had a gift card, we decided we're gonna go to Longhorn, and this was my first time there and I was very pleased with the food. And of course, Peppa Pig had to sit between us. After lunch, we headed over to Target, and even though I love Target, especially Dollar Spot, this time they didn't really have so many things that I needed, but I still had fun to look around. They had a pretty good selection of educational items, especially for smaller children. They also had a very nice gardening section. So at Target, I ended up getting this canister for flower watering, and I'm gonna use it as a decoration. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it at this color or repaint it. I'm still thinking about it. And I also got this wheelbarrow, decorative wheelbarrow, and I'm so happy about it. It was the last one and I had to snatch it. They were both $5. And then at Home Depot, I had to get some paint. This is regular 98 cents black paint, and I got some white chalk paint and some brushes for some upcoming projects. And now it's haircut time. I cut my son's and my husband's hair for years now. Actually, my son never been to a hairdresser. I always cut his hair. So today was the day when we had to do it. Here is my husband finishing up the project around tree, putting some rocks, and that's all done. Our flowers are blooming right now. They look so pretty in front of our house. These are the flowers that I planted Saturday. And I also put this pot that I bought at Target next to it, but I'm not sure exactly where it's gonna end up. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.